Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Subaru front wheel bearing, updated. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and lift the vehicle with a hydraulic jack and robust jack stands for safety. Remove the wheel and brake caliper, then unbolt the rotor and hub assembly to access the bearing. Keep hardware organized and inspect surrounding components for wear. Follow torque specs and test drive slowly to confirm the repair is complete and quiet. In this video, I will explain how to replace Subaru front wheel bearing, updated. After securing the car, remove the wheel, caliper, rotor, and speed sensor if present, then loosen the hub nut and separate the hub from the steering knuckle using controlled force. Use a hydraulic press or slide hammer with a proper adapter to press out the old bearing, protecting the hub from damage. Clean mating surfaces, inspect seals, and prepare the new bearing for installation, following the reverse process precisely. In this video, I will explain how to replace Subaru front wheel bearing, updated. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more garage guides. On another note, the product seen here is the Oala water bottle, perfect to keep you hydrated while you wrench and wait for parts. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a sip and get ready. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to replace Subaru front wheel bearing, updated. Grease and install the new bearing carefully, ensuring it seats fully and evenly with a press or suitable driver tool. Reassemble the hub, rotor, caliper, and sensor, then torque the hub nut and wheel lugs to the correct values. Rotate the assembly by hand to check for smooth operation and no binding. Lower the vehicle and perform a slow test drive to confirm noise elimination and stable steering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.